Usually my creative process begins with a sudden urge. I'll see a crazy pattern or weird sleeves or an amazing pair of jeans, and an idea will immediately pop into my head, inspired by it, or I'll just think, I need to make that. I never really think about, oh, I should find that online and buy it. I always think every time, I really want to make that. And I think a lot of people think about fashion as consuming, but I think about fashion as recycling and creating from what already has been. Fashion used to seem vain and empty to me, and I never really felt right devoting my working life to something that held those qualities. But I realized that making fashion just soothes something within me. And I realized it's the process in creating garments that makes me able to justify promoting fashion, because it's wearable, recycled art that I've made with my own hands. Everyone has a certain passion within them that you can never stop thinking about, you never stop working on it. And for me, it's making clothes I can wear. I've just always had that interest. I've always gone to thrift stores, and it's just come naturally to me. I'll look at something that I've picked up, immediately just have an idea on how it could be cuter, how it could be more unique. I'll just see its potential. And I've just always done it as a hobby. It's always been a part of me. For some reason, you can't really place why you love what you love to do so much. And that's why I've kind of struggled with the idea of really wanting to devote my entire life to working on making clothes, because in the grand scheme of things, it's really not important at all. But the reality is, fashion will always be a part of our everyday lives, and it really is important to how we live. It rounds out our confidence, it makes us feel unique, and to me, it's art that makes me proud, because I realized I can use my talent to reduce waste and consumption, but to also help others realize how they can do that as well, and all the while be building their own style super affordably. All my life, I have been the most frugal person that I know. I've always cherished thrift stores and the opportunity and endless possibilities that they give me, not only through affordability, but recyclability. I love being able to recycle what is the number 2 pollutant in our world, which is clothes. and to be able to deconstruct and recreate, to make new again and give new life. It's so satisfying to be able to do that as an artist. And I want to encourage and inspire and help others to do the same. I want to take my excitement for creating fashion and pour it into something much bigger and far more important than myself.